Let's see if this side gonna make a full pass. He just came out this week from having transmission problems. We putting it out there on the line, on the spot, y'all. He supposed to be shifting right and everything. If it don't shift right, okay. Yeah. They got an 8-speed transmission in it, y'all. 4-wheel drive. We just turned it on.
You gonna take it, bro?
Yeah, man, where you been at? Other side? Okay.
Hey, man. Hey, how wheel drive?
Yeah.
Get on his ass. Get on his ass, man. That's his motherfucking ass.
His shit been popping and banging. His shit been popping and banging.
Yeah, he ain't been spinning. Get on his ass.
He ain't been making no.
Don't worry about all that.
Don't.
Goddamn, man.
Don't.
Get on his ass, man.
He say don't worry about all that. They talking about they like that. That's the whole dash, y'all.
Appreciate it.
Already.
Shout out to my boy Roy. He did it all.
Yeah. Shout out to Roy. Yeah, that's a badass dash. You like that bitch?
Badass dash, though.
See that bitch say 4-wheel drive?
Yeah. That's my homeboy, man. He got a bad motherfucker.
4-wheel drive. Yeah, that's J-Mac. You know J-Mac? Shout out to J-Mac one time for the one time. Let me see it. Come on up. Come on up. Get right here. Okay, it sound kind of like he made a full pass. Yeah.
My homeboy shit hustle.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a sleep.
Yeah.
Hey, that is a fucking sleep.
So
You
it's
don't make some money with that
you can tell that it's running even though it lost.
I can tell that bitch still hustle.
Yeah. See, Funky Town know how to look at all this shit and gauge.
Not all this shit.
Next time it come
That's a
around.
sleep. That's a bad motherfucker, now.
That's a bad
Took
one.
a race car to beat it.
Yeah. Took a race car to beat him.
Motherfucker ain't done.
We got Shane in the building. Shane, what you gonna do, man?
Waiting on Chris?
Okay. Chris in line?
Maybe. He may be by now.
Let's go see if Chris in line. He probably still working on it. Well, I'm hungry. Y'all, I'm giving y'all a little overtime. Hey, what's his name again? Zalarim. I done forgot his name. Appreciate the $4.99, man. You making me stay live longer, man, because you know I be giving only 3 hours. I've been live for about 3. I had another live before this. Look out. Huh? Nah, I ain't finna go yet. Huh? Okay. You finna race a supercharged 5.7?
5.7 with a supercharged on it.
Okay.
I think it's a 392.
Okay, let me go see. Woo! Oh! Appreciate that, Kangas. Shout out to Rob G Film, Kangas. Oh, Zalarim. Yeah. Zalarim, appreciate that $4.99, man. He out here showing out. I appreciate it, man. Them tips be feeling good every now and then. Cause sometimes when I be going live and it be 2, 3, 4 hours and I ain't made nothing. And everybody talking about, yeah, dude. Thanks for the live. I'll be thinking, man, somebody should have paid the entry fee. Hey, somebody, who finna run? Okay. Okay, Pro Tree.
My Pro Tree.
Yeah, I'll be thinking somebody should pay the entry fee. All these people didn't watch. It shouldn't be me pay the entry fee too. Look out, line going down. I'm finna have some new stickers next week. You gonna be ready? Okay, big. Yeah, I got bigger ones and everything.
You think you want to try J-Mac?
Hey, man, you want to try J-Mac, man? You on the motor?
Me?
Yeah.
Your motor?
Yeah, I got somebody else want to run you on motor. They got a cam, though. You got a cam, too, don't you? You want to run for how much? $50? $40?
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one? 50?
50.
Okay, I'll tell him. He got street tires, though. You got slicks? Oh, shit. Let me see if he still will do it. I'm going to tell him you got slicks. Let me see. Okay. Hey! Damn, where he go? Damn. Hey, Shane. He said he want to run J-Mac for 50, man. Yeah.
All right, I'll tell him.
Oh, there go J-Mac right there. Run the caprice. That sound like a vet up there. We got Bruce. He upset. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Something ain't right. He ain't putting it back in the line. Let's go see what's up with Pedro, Big Time. They all still working on their cars. We got Gerald now in this bitch. Nah, I ain't found nobody. I ain't did no damage today. Finna do some damage to some tacos and some corn. Let me go get my pineapple drink real quick. While they bullshitting. I'm thirsty. Oh shit, who was that? Blind Squirrel, you just in time, huh?
What you guys do?
Finna buy me something to drink. I'm thirsty. Dang. We got, what you want me to do? What you want to do?
Ready?
Nah, I ain't ready. What Big Time at? Where Big Time at? Big Time, he got $1,000 race today. He here. He just put his car together.
You said Big Time here.
Let me go get my drink,
You say
man.
he about to race tonight?
Look out, Big Time versus Pedro tonight. $1,000. $500 to get off. They both here. Hey,
I met your brother.
you met my brother. You want to tell us about it?
He came over for the special.
Yeah, he got that special.
2 for $4 tonight.
Okay, you got them hot dogs 2 for $4?
Yes. But
Yeah.